Hello everyone, welcome to a Fairvilla University's Quickie all about kissing.
Hi, I'm John C. Luna.
And I'm Angelique Luna.
And in this video, pucker up, because we're going to be talking about kissing.
Otherwise known as smooching,
Pecking,
canoodling,
smacking lips,
making out,
a lip embrace.
or sucking face.
But a kiss, it can be intimately special. I mean, it is the center focal point in every romantic comedy or dramedy ever made.
And because there's several different types of kisses, we want to be clear, we're talking about romantic kissing.
But even under romantic kissing, there's so many different types. I mean, there's a friendly kiss.
There's a slow and intimate kiss.
There's that awkward first kiss.
The hot, steamy kiss.
There's a kiss we can't show you on PGTV. Isn't it said that true love's kiss can break a curse or an evil spell?
Well, that's based on every Disney movie, but if you go on the Brother Grimm's fairy tales, not that true. Kissing has a very significant importance in our culture. Kissing is the most common physical action to show affection to another.
So there's even 2 days devoted to kissing. There's actually International Kissing Day, or more commonly known as World Kissing Day, which is an official holiday on July 6th that actually started in the UK in around 2000, went everywhere.
The National Kissing Day on June 22nd is all about showing your love and improving your health. That's right, kissing is actually good for you.
Kissing has been shown to actually relieve stress, burn calories, and improve your immunity. I could use a little of that.
Even at a young age, kissing was a point of importance, but also stress and anxiety. Many of us practice kissing. I mean, who hasn't played spin the bottle or like 5 minutes and have it in the closet? But some of us actually use a plushie for practice. As you can see, John is practicing with his little stuffed pig. I'm trying to still figure out who is the giver and who's the receiver.
All of us usually learn kissing by, well, experimentation.
I think we all can use a few tips and tricks on kissing, especially if we want to deliver a kiss that will never be forgotten by someone. You know that movie rom-com that we see, we rewind, we fast forward, we rewind to look to get that perfect kiss?
Okay, so the first tip, and I don't want to sound like a commercial, but bad breath can stop a kiss before it even starts. A little mouthwash, brush your teeth, hey, maybe even a little Bianca. Look that up.
Next, choose the right time. This will be different for everyone. We want to avoid I went in for a kiss and got a concussion.
Okay, now sometimes a surprise kiss does work. Usually maybe not for the first one, but it's something, again, people work into. But if you need to announce your intentions, do it. Maybe even ask for permission. I'd really, really like to kiss you now. Deeply, passionately. Would you enjoy that?
Yes, please. In most cases, don't start with your tongue. The tongue should be felt, not seen. Try this. Make eye contact and lean in slowly. This approach announces your intentions and gives the recipients time to contemplate their response.
Now, once you're in a kiss, be in the moment. I know we've heard that phrase before, but this is not the time to start thinking about what's coming next. Am I getting to third base? Do I have to get my car keys and leave? Go ahead and be there and just enjoy it. Nothing else but the lips, the tongue, and let the feelings move on.
Expand beyond the lips. Use your hands, hold them closer, embrace them. The lips is where it starts, but the feeling can go everywhere. So you want to make sure you are touching as much as possible, not just the lips. You want it to be seductive, romantic, passionate. Just touch and caress while you kiss.
Now, while kissing, pay attention to your partner's body language. And obviously you're close, you can't exactly see them, but are they relaxed and comfortable, or are they kind of stiff, and do they feel a little confused?
Learn to lead, but also follow. If your tongue is not met with another tongue in a reasonable amount of time, this is not a sign to dive deeper. It's not going down Periscope.
And If your tongue is met by two closed, clamped, shut lips, just stop there. It's not going nowhere.
But if they grab you and pull you closer, then it's down periscope and let it happen. And if the passion overflows, let things get sloppy. Stay with it. Enjoy it. There's always paper towels or towels nearby. It's like, enjoy the wetness.
Now, we say this in many of our classes and lectures. Communicate. Once the kiss is over, not immediately, but at some point, talk about it. Was it a good kiss? Did it erupt passion in me? Or are you tickling that part of my tonsils that's kind of ticklish and that was kind of uncomfortable?
So how was that kiss we had earlier?
Wonderful.
What did you like about it?
Everything.
Experiment. Try different techniques. Left, right, up, down, center. It sounds like a game, but it's fun. It's, trying different angles.
Maybe want to try that Spider-Man kiss. But, and our last bit of advice, there will be failures. Just learn to laugh at them. Everyone's mouth is different. Hell, I got braces. My mouth's changed. You're going to learn. Things are going to change. Have fun with it. That's the point.
If you enjoyed today's quickie, please remember to like and subscribe for our weekly updates on Fairvilla University's YouTube channel. Bye!
Bye!